Good morning, class 2. Welcome to the online computer class. Today, in our video, we will learn chapter 7, that is file management and introduction. First of all, kids, we will learn what is a file. Files are the documents, presentations, pictures, etc. that we create using software within the computer. Kids, in your screen, there are three pictures are displaying. First one is the picture of a music, then it is a picture of a panda, and third one, the blue one, is the icon of a file. A file can be any music, that is, it may be any song, any type of music. Okay, it may be a picture, it may be any document, anything that we save in our computer system is called a file. Now we give different names to our files so we can access them easily when we want to review them or in any other need. Suppose you save your classwork onto your laptop or your desktop and you give it the name as your classwork of computer. Okay, and after few days, if you want to revise that, you have to just search classwork of computer, then that file will appear on to your screen. Next is file management. Kids, file management is very easy. It will teach you how to organize or how to arrange your files within your computer. The picture is showing that a drawer like structure having lots of files are entering it within the screen of a laptop. It is trying to show you that file management deals with how to keep your files in an arranged manner within the computer system. Through file management, kids, any unorganized files gets arranged in a well-disciplined manner. It may helps you to find your files, whatever you want to open, very easily and smoothly. Now, next is saving a file. Kids, it is displaying on your screen what is the concept of saving a file. It is little bit difficult, but try to understand. The term saving a file means transferring any file from the temporary memory to the permanent memory of the computer, which means if you are doing some work, suppose if you are drawing some shapes onto the MS Paint and you want to save it for permanent purpose, then you are transferring the Microsoft Paint document from the temporary memory of the computer to the permanent memory of the computer. Kids, I want to mention something more here, that when you open any new file of any software, suppose you are opening a blank new MS Paint file, okay, then the computer will open it by its default name. That default name is always known as untitled document. For example, when you open any new file in Paint, the name that you opened in Paint will have its name as untitled. After that, if you want to save it, then you have to give it your desired name. It means that every file needs a specific and different name. You cannot give the same name every time. Okay. Now, it is also written here, kids, specifying a path means giving a name and saving it at the hard disk. I think everyone knows what is a hard disk. It is the place of the computer memory where everything what we save got saved in it. While saving a file in the computer, you are required to give it a different name, and you are also required to tell the computer where you exactly want to save it at the hard disk. So all the process of giving name and saving it at the hard disk is called the specifying a path. Now, although it is not given in your syllabus, still I want to discuss it for your future purpose. Folders. Kids, the yellow color box you are showing on your computer screen or mobile screen is the icon of a folder. So what is a folder? Simply it is a container for our files. Whenever we want to save our files, we save it in a container that we call it as a folder. So folder helps us to organize our file in a very arranged manner. It is a part of a file management system. Now come up to our new topic, that is File Explorer. It is the file management application that is used by the Windows operating system to browse folders and files easily. Kids, in your upcoming classes, you will get to know about some type of operating system. One of them is graphical interface. Okay, so graphical interface provides us the facility of File Explorer to browse our files and folders. Okay, kids, so our chapter 7, that is file management and introduction, is over. Okay, so I will share all the exercise question answers. You have to note them down onto your book and send it to me within this given time. Till then, bye bye. Take care.